Boys and girls, so can anyone tell me what this letter is? That's right. This week we are going to be learning about the letter W. Does anyone know what the letter W says? That's right. Wah, wah, wah. Alrighty, my friends. So I have put together a couple of pictures that start with the letter W. If you know the sound, if you know the word, make sure to say it along with me, okay? All right, are you ready? Watermelon, that's right. Watermelon. All right, next up we have a web, right. Web. Next up we have a wand, correct. Wand. Next up we have a whale. Whale. Alrighty, my friends, so what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be learning how to write the letter W. Alright, so if you take a look at this picture right here, we get to see the number 1. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do the uppercase W. Okay, so we notice that the uppercase W starts right at the line. So we're going to go down and then up and then down and then up, all the way up until it touches each corner of the line. All right, then we're going to move on to the lowercase w. And again, we start with the 1. We go down, up, except for the lowercase w, it is below the dashed line. Okay, so with your magic finger, we're going to do the letter W together. Are we ready? Pull out your magic finger. All right, so we're going to be doing the uppercase W first. Ready? So remember, it's big. So down, up. Great job. Next up, we're going to be doing the lowercase w. And remember, the lowercase w stays below the dotted line. Okay, are we ready? Okay, ready, set, down, up. Excellent, my friends. All right, so together we are going to be singing the ABCs, and we're going to start at the letter W. Are we ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Great job, my friends. Yes, W. And we went over some words that start with the letter W, right? So we had whale, we had wand, we had web, and we had watermelon. Great job, my friends. So for your homework, what I want you to do is I want you to find something. You could either draw it, you could either bring it, that starts with the letter W, and we're going to be going over it in class. Does that sound good to you? Excellent, my friends. Okay, so just some review. All right, we know that this is the letter W, and we know that this is the letter W, correct, my friends? All right, and how do we write the letter W again? We're going to start with the uppercase W. Uppercase W. Can you say that with me? Uppercase W. All right, we're going to go down, up. Great job. And now the lowercase w. The lowercase w. Can you say that with me? Lowercase w. Ready? Down, up. Great job, my friends. And remember your words that start with the letter W. To, web, wand, and last but not least, whale. All right, my friends, so yes, do bring something. Again, you could either draw it, you could either bring it. That starts with the letter W. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys are bringing. Awesome, thank you. All right, my friends, yeah, see you next time. And in class, we will be going over more of what the letter W is and what other words start with the letter W.